Hi guys, Barbara here from Vibe Group. A few weeks back, I had to go to a factory to load a container for my customer. Now this factory is specialized in manufacturing makeup brushes and beauty blenders. So I found the manufacturing process to be quite interesting and new to me, so I decided to shoot a video and share it with you. I hope you enjoyed this video and learn something with me. So everything starts here with the raw material being formulated into those big containers. Now here the raw material is being injected into these cup-shaped molds, and then these molds go through a almost 20-meter furnace to be baked, and then what we have is what we know as the sponges. Now the color of these sponges can be customized and it will be formulated into those big containers. The second step of making beauty blenders would be shaping them into the customer's desired form. Now these are manual machines. So these machines are cheaper, but you need one employee, one worker to handle each machine. So your cost is going to increase there. And also somebody needs to remove the extra material at the end of these sponges by a scissor, by hand, which means that these machines are not very efficient. Now behind this area we have the cutting area. In the cutting area, depending on the shape that the customer has requested, molds are made, and the shaped sponges then go into the molds, and there is a blade that cuts these sponges into the final shape that the customer has asked. Although there will be a manual trimming of these products at the stage of packaging. Now here we have another color, which is for another customer, another production. This item doesn't need cutting. In fact, the only thing that they do is kind of polish the end of the sponge so that it is a smooth and round shape. Now here we have the semi-automatic machine. As you can see, the unshaped sponges are put into this machine. This machine does the reshaping, and it cuts the end, the extra material at the end of the sponge, and then it separates the extra material from the finished product underneath. We're going to see that in a second. Now let's see how the machine is reshaping this sponge. Now this machine is much more expensive, but one operator can operate this single machine that can manufacture times and times more items per minute than the manual ones. Okay, here we can see how the extra material and the finished product are separated by a smart move, right? Now after this stage is the packaging stage, which I wasn't allowed to enter because the customer's logo were visible. Now this is the showroom, and you can see different kinds of packaging, shapes and forms, coloring of beauty blenders, and the whole thing finishes here. Thank you for being with me. Hope to see you soon.